Today, we're unlocking the secrets to becoming an effective communicator with our special guide on
25 super common basic English phrases
that are key to fluent and effective English conversations.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like? You're asking about the current or upcoming weather conditions, which can help you plan your day or decide what to wear. Example, asking about the weather to plan your day.
What's the weather like outside? Do I need an umbrella?
Do you have any recommendations?
Do you have any recommendations?
Do you have any recommendations? Asking for suggestions on choices, like food, places to visit, etc. Example, asking locals or concierge for Italian restaurant tips.
Do you have any recommendations for a good Italian restaurant nearby? Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken? Inquiring if a seat is occupied before sitting down. Example, checking seat availability in crowded places.
Is this seat taken, or may I sit here?
I'm allergic to.
I'm allergic to.
I'm allergic to. Informing others of your allergies to avoid health issues. Example, informing servers about a peanut allergy before ordering.
I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this dish contain any? I'm here on business.
Do you want to be able to listen and understand native speakers easily? Speak fluently with proper pronunciation? So, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our language adventure every week.
Vacation.
I'm here on business vacation.
I'm here on business or vacation. Explaining the purpose of your visit to a place. Example, mentioning your business trip during conversations.
I'm here on business for a few days.
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout? Asking about the time by which you must leave a hotel. Example, inquiring about checkout time for planning.
What time is checkout tomorrow morning?
I'd like to cancel my reservation.
I'd like to cancel my reservation.
I'd like to cancel my reservation. Requesting to undo a booking. Example, inquiring about checkout times for planning.
I'd like to cancel my reservation. My plans have changed. Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included? Inquiring if the morning meal is part of your accommodation deal. Example, checking if breakfast is included with your stay.
Is breakfast included with my room booking?
I'd like to book a tour.
I'd like to book a tour.
I'd like to book a tour. Expressing interest in reserving a guided exploration or activity. Example, booking a city tour for cultural insights.
I'd like to book a tour of the city for tomorrow. It's my treat.
It's my treat.
It's my treat. Offering to pay for someone's meal, ticket, etc. as a gesture of kindness. Example, covering the cost as a gesture of kindness.
Don't worry about the bill. It's my treat.
How much is this?
How much is this?
How much is this? Asking the price of an item. Example, asking the price of a desired item.
How much is this scarf? Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card? Inquiring if a payment can be made using a debit or credit card. Example, confirming if card payments are accepted.
Can I pay by card, or is it cash only?
I'd like a refund, please.
I'd like a refund, please.
I'd like a refund, please. Requesting to have your money returned for a product or service. Example, returning defective items for refunds.
I'd like a refund, please. This item is defective. Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color? Asking if an item is available in different colors. Example, asking for clothing in a different color.
Do you have this shirt in blue?
What size are you?
What size are you?
What size are you? Inquiring about someone's clothing size, often when thinking of buying them apparel. Example, inquiring about a friend's size for a gift.
What size are you? I want to buy you a gift. I'm looking for.
I'm looking for.
I'm looking for. Expressing that you're searching for something specific. Example. Asking locals for directions to landmarks.
I'm looking for the train station. Can you point me in the right direction?
Do you know where is?
Do you know where is?
Do you know where is? Asking for directions or the location of a place. Example. Locating the nearest pharmacy.
Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is? Where can I buy tickets?
Where can I buy tickets?
Where can I buy tickets? Inquiring about the purchase point for tickets to an event or transport. Example. Finding where to buy concert tickets.
Where can I buy tickets for the concert tonight?
How far is it?
How far is it?
How far is it? Asking about the distance to a specific destination. Example. Asking about the distance to the museum.
How far is it to the museum from here? What time does it start?
What time does it start?
What time does it start? Inquiring about the beginning time of an event or activity. Example. Asking about the start time of the movie.
What time does the movie start?
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Is there Wi-Fi here? Asking if wireless internet service is available at a location. Example. Asking about Wi-Fi availability.
Is there Wi-Fi here? I need to send an email. What's the Wi-Fi password?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
What's the Wi-Fi password? Requesting the password to access a Wi-Fi network. Example. Asking about the Wi-Fi password.
What's the Wi-Fi password for the cafe?
What's the exchange rate?
What's the exchange rate?
What's the exchange rate? Asking about the current value of one currency in terms of another. Example. Checking the current exchange rates.
What's the exchange rate for euros to dollars today? What's your major?
What's your major?
What's your major? Asking about someone's field of study. Example. Curiosity about a student's field of study.
I notice you're always in the science building. What's your major?
Is there a deadline for this?
Is there a deadline for this?
Is there a deadline for this? A question frequently asked to clarify when a task or project needs to be completed. Example. Clarifying the timeline for a task.
I've started working on the report. Is there a deadline for this?
That's a wrap on today's chapter in Magic Englishland. A huge shout out to all of you for joining in on our language learning journey. Just think of every new English phrase you learn as unlocking a door to a whole new adventure. Keep at it, stay curious, and cherish the journey of learning. Every word you pick up, every sentence you get, they're all steps toward becoming more confident and fluent in English. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Can't wait to see you all next time. Until then, keep practicing, and remember to keep listening and speaking. Keep sharing the magic of English.